everybody. We're doing a science lab, and we're going to be combining vinegar. Here's Marlena. We're going to be doing a science lab where we combine vinegar, baking soda, and soap.
Okay. This is where we're doing it. See, we got a little bottle set up on a bowl in the sink.
Yeah. So first thing we need to do is so our question was already set. Can we combine soap with baking soda with vinegar? And now we need to come up with a hypothesis
dish
of
soap?
what's Now we need to come up with a hypothesis of what's happening while we do our procedure. So the procedure is pretty obvious from the question. All we're going to be doing is adding the 3 ingredients, baking soda, vinegar, and soap together. So here's my hypothesis. Because baking soda and vinegar becomes carbon dioxide, if we add soap, we could come up with bubbles of carbon dioxide. So that's just a hypothesis. Also, since it inflates balloons, like, it could inflate bubbles. So let's see how this works.
Okay.
So
Should I put a little soap in there?
Yeah.
All right. Squirt.
Just put in a little more.
Squirt. Squirt.
Okay, now time for the baking soda.
Hang on. That's tons.
That's enough.
You want to put in a little more?
Yeah, you're just like, that's tons.
All right. Good.
And now, let us add the thing that makes volcanoes explode. But not really, just in like 4th grade science fair experiment. Vinegar.
Okay, look out. Move.
So I was right, it creates little strings of bubble and also the foam.
It's still pouring out the top.
I wonder how long this is going to last.
It's still pouring out.
Is it going to make helium bubbles?
I don't think so.
Now here's what's interesting.
Yeah?
The soap didn't appear to make the bubbles last any longer. As you can see, they're all sort of popping in the sink.
But they do seem to make the stream last longer. It's still pumping out.
It is still recording?
But like...
No, let it keep going.
Oh, another thing that we noticed was that it caused bubbles. So that's interesting. Also that a lot of the bubbles are popping inside.
Pop, you idiot!
The bubbles are a lot smaller, but it's still pumping out. It's actually producing, it seems like it's producing more matter than it had at the beginning. How is this happening?
You idiot!
Is it just like, is it just because the air bubbles are filling up with the nothingness and they're adding to its entire amount? I mean, yeah, whatever.
The mass is the same. The volume is different.
Yeah. Sort of like how in Universe Sandbox, when I changed the volume of the sun was the same, but I changed the temperature, it was different. Wait,
we turn
at
it
the end of
upside
this,
down?
we're going to turn this upside down. When it stops
Should we pour
running.
some water in there and see what happens?
Yeah.
Hang
We're
on,
just gonna
don't turn it upside down. See what happens if we pour a little bit of water.
No.
Look at those bubbles.
But
Look what
at the
happens
bottom
when you
of
add
it.
water. The bubbles totally changed size.
Wait, hold on.
They look so cool.
Oh, crap, that was a sponge. Oh, yeah, here in the drain there were bubbles just a while ago. So that was our video. I hope you